The Big Bang should not exist. Oh my god, you ready for it too? They're trying to tell you, look, there it is. The Big Bang should not exist. Is it God? God? Is that it? Is that God? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, the James Webb is a fucking identity theft rink and machine. Okay, let's go check out James Webb. James Webb shouldn't exist. You're a fucking kidnapping piece of shit. You're a fucking secondary kidnapped fucking piece of shit. You're both idiots that got drilled into fucking hell. So that's what you get for messing with outer space. Then you got a device stuck in your fucking head. Now you don't know which way to go. You fucking James Webb, that thing's a piece of fucking trash. James Webb's gonna be more unprecedented than me, more unprecedented than COVID for the democracy. It shouldn't be more unprecedented than getting a fucking device shoved in your head at the bank. That's all the bank is. I just collapsed the bank and outer space, and the Big Bang is over. That's what they didn't like. They're like, oh, we're not in control of that information. You could go fuck yourself all the way to hell. With that fucking loser that's not even smart, you're going to go fast in a warp drive. Maybe you'll learn God and machines one day with you in the fucking middle. Like, why don't you fucking say something now, pussy? Stupid fucking NASA, James Webb, Nazi scum. Loser, loser. Goodbye, enough loser shit.